We currently face many environment challenges. To learn how to take about these challenges, we will discuss threats to the environment, their causes, and possible solutions. Probably the biggest threat to the environment is global warming. Let us look at the causes and what we can do about it. Burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These gases then get trapped into the atmosphere. This layer of gases trap in heat radiating up from the earth. This causes the planet to get hotter. We call this the greenhouse effect because it is similar to how a greenhouse works by trapping the heat from the sun. So, the earth is getting hotter. What can we do to solve the problem? We can reduce the amount of greenhouse gases that we put into the atmosphere. There are many things that we can do to help. Here are a couple. We should use energy saving light bulbs and we can drive more efficient cars. Now, what are the negative effects of high temperature and what should we do to help the environment? The ice caps are melting. As a result, sea levels are rising. We should use renewable energy. Deserts are growing. So, we should plant more trees. What other environmental problems are there? Oceans are polluted. So, we should save water in the home. Air pollution causes health problems. So, we should use public transport. Wildlife is losing its habitat. So, we should protect the rainforests. Landfills emit greenhouse gases. So, we should reduce, reuse, and recycle. The 3 R's. These are probably the greatest things we can do to help protect the environment. Reduce. It would be better for the environment if we reduced the amount of things we buy and use. It would also save us money. Reuse. We should reuse things when we can. Don't use disposable shopping bags. Instead, take a reusable bag. Recycle. Help the environment by recycling your waste. We can recycle paper, plastic, metal bags, and glass. There is only one aspect in the world where it is having a positive impact, that is the environment. Nature has been the big winner during the COVID-19 pandemic. While human interference has been banned the past few months, Mother Nature has reclaimed a bit of what humans took from her. Since people are staying home, all types of travel has been come to a halt. These factors have caused carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide emission to fall drastically, making the air around the globe, partially metropolitan cities, just a bit cleaner and the skies a bit bluer. Even though the positive effect the lockdown has had on the environment may not last long, it is still eye-catching to see how humans have exploited nature and the way Mother Nature tries to heal when humans leave her alone for some time. And at last, happy Environment Day to all of you.